GymClean is a Green Seal certified daily cleaner for finished wood floors. Whether it's used through mopping, tacking, or auto scrubbing techniques, GymClean removes the daily buildup of dust, dirt, sweat, body oils, and dried spills from finished wood floors without leaving any residue, streaks, or hazing. The neutral, concentrated formula restores the floor's original slip resistance and reduces labor time. Routine maintenance is the key to preserving a gym floor's finish. If you want championship results on your wood floors, GymClean it and you are ready to go.